Hello, beauty hackers. As you know, sandal season is just around the corner, and we all know what that means. It's time to show off those toes and bare those heels. But, if you're like most people, you've probably neglected your feet during the colder months, and now, your feet might be dry, cracked, and in desperate need of a lot of TLC. Well, we've got a few great tips to keep your feet sandal ready all through spring and summer. Dry feet are not only unsightly, but they can also be uncomfortable and even painful. In some cases, they can even lead to more serious health issues. That's why it's important to take care of your feet all year. Ideally, you want to keep a pumice stone and a foot file in your bath so you can slough off any dry and rough skin daily. That way, you stay ahead of super rough and cracked skin that will send you to your nail salon to remedy the situation. Right out of the shower, you want to dry your feet thoroughly and apply a thick layer moisturizer to lock in that moisture. Be sure to fully rub the creams and oils in. Next, always apply a cuticle oil to your toes and push back or trim any excess or hardened cuticle while they're still softened. File or clip toenails weekly, or as needed. If going to bed, you want to use a foot mask or petty socks if your feet need further softening. Most foot masks come in a plastic self-adhesive footy form to protect your sheets while you sleep. As a bonus H&B hack, consider using moisturizers and serums you normally think of for your face, such as hyaluronic and lactic acids, as they naturally and gently exfoliate and moisturize the skin. These formulas really penetrate and keep your soles smooth and subtle. Incorporating these steps into your beauty routine will surely keep your feet ready for the spotlight any time of the year. Happy hacking! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.